Hi everyone! Here is a rice mask tutorial that is great for uneven skin tone brightening. So you are going to need 1 cup of rice and 3 cups of water. To cook the rice, you have to rinse. Helps remove impurities such as dust, dirt, and excess starch, all the stuffs that we don't need on our skin. Once your rice is soft, you can pour your rice mixture into your blender until it becomes smooth. Add more water if you want your mixture to be more runny. I prefer my mask to be a bit on the thicker side. This recipe is customizable to suit it to your preference. Once you get the consistency that you like, pour it into a bowl and let the mask cool down. Do not use boiling hot rice on your face. Leave the rice mask on for 15 minutes. Wash it off and continue with the rest of your skincare routine. If you have extra rice mask left, you can store in the fridge for up to 1 week. This is an amazing mask to use because it's so easy to make, and it also has a lot of benefits. Thanks for watching. Subscribe.